Welcome to Julie Reynolds TV. I am so excited to have you here on my YouTube channel. I help network marketers build their business with confidence and brand themselves, all while bringing their business online. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the weekly videos that I release here every Tuesday. Not only will I be giving you weekly tips about branding yourself and building network marketing business, but I will also be throwing in some free resources for you to use to brand yourself with confidence. See, my goal is to have you loving your network marketing company and having so much fun while creating the life you've always dreamed of. As a licensed professional counselor, I realize how important mindset and confidence is when working your business. It's my belief that without having the right mindset, no training out there is going to help you be successful. That's why I've created this channel to teach you how to build your business with confidence while branding yourself. So, if you're ready to have some fun, let your hair down, and learn some serious branding tips, then this channel is for you. I've had great success in network marketing, building a team of over 1,000 people strong and hitting the top ranks in my company. Everything I teach over here is the same things I use each day in my business. I want you to have the same success that I've had. So, what I need you to do is, 1, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my weekly videos each Tuesday, and then go to my website, Julie B. Reynolds, where I put out my resources so you can rock your business with confidence. Oh, and before I forget, if you've got friends or teammates that you think would love these trainings, make sure you share this channel with them so that they don't miss out. Remember, sharing is caring. Can't wait to get to know you, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, and welcome to Julie Reynolds TV.